dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. A life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? What can I take? Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for reasons. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're enjoying your lunch. Please feel free to continue eating as we get started. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Sandra Sellers. I work at Disney's Parks, Experiences, and Products. And today it's my pleasure to thank you for being here at the conference and making it such a great experience for everyone. I want to welcome those who are on the live stream, colleagues, friends, family, anyone who's watching and so anxious to see who has won the Ergo Cups and all of the great awards to come. And when I was sitting in your seats, waiting to hear who won the Ergo Cup, all I could think was, will they ever be quiet? So I promise we will make this quick and get to the most important part, which are our Ergo Cups. Every year in March, I look forward to attending the Applied Ergonomics Conference, and I get to see people that I've known for many years and meet amazing folks like yourself for the first time. So I hope that you, if this is your first time, I hope you will mark your calendars when I encourage you to do so, and I hope that you'll join us for future conferences. Before we get started, I do need to thank two amazing partners, and I hope that they will pause for a moment and stand. Dr. Mark Benden, as our outgoing chair, he has done amazing things for the conference, so let's give Mark a big hand. And hasn't this year's conference been amazing? So Catherine Ray from Sandalwood Engineering and Ergonomics, she has organized our great volunteers and put this amazing conference together. And I want to thank you both for your partnership. We want to also thank our amazing keynote speakers. Casey Chosewood, I believe he headed to another meeting, but he's not here, but I really, really enjoyed the total worker health presentation, especially that work-family component to injuries. That was amazing. And then to Marty Smets, highlighting Ford's diversity, equity, and inclusion. Just amazing what Mexico has done, for sure, right? There were so many amazing stories, but I loved what Mexico was doing. Would our IISE team please rise? I want to thank the amazing team of Don Green, Doug Long, Kathy Gamboa, David Frank, Brian, Carol Johnson, and of course, Anna Johnston. So let's give them a great big round of applause. The conference wouldn't be here without IISE's amazing facilitation and sponsorship, so thank you so much. Oops. And thank you to all of our alliance partners, sponsors, and exhibitors. Our sponsors, I hope that you will remember them as you are looking for different services or educational opportunities or any of those important items. Our exhibitors, what a great time in the exhibit hall this time, right? That was amazing. And please forgive me. Our alliance partners. Again, please keep them in mind. I know you can't read all of the amazing international alliance partners, but I will tell you it's everything from Brazil to Switzerland and everything in between. It's really an awesome list of organizations. Would anyone who's recently received their CPE or CEA please stand? Certification is so important, and we want to give them a big round of applause. Congratulations. This is where you need to get out your phones and mark your calendars. Get it on there now, because you're not going to want to miss the conference in Orlando next year, March 17th through the 20th, and I can't believe it'll be 2025. It's being held at the Rosen Center in Orlando, the city beautiful. And as Mayor Dyer will tell you on the ride from the Orlando International Airport to the terminal, Orlando has something for everyone. So mark your calendar, spend a few days before, spend a few days after, enjoy the theme parks, the attractions, the sports opportunities, and we hope you will, again, get it on there so you don't overbook. March 17th through the 20th. We saw so many great presentations and case studies and all of that, and I just want to make sure y'all know we have IIE transactions in Occupational Ergonomics and Human Factors Journal. So if you want to submit one of your stories, please head out to the IISC.org website and check it out. It's a great journal, and I think it's great to share this amazing work. We are all about continuous improvement for the conference, and there's a couple of ways you can help us with that. One is, of course, to evaluate the sessions that you attended. And what's in it for you? Those CEUs, especially if you've got that certification, those can be really helpful. And we use that great information. So please do the session evaluations. But the conference evaluation is also really, really helpful for us. So take a moment. They're all to be found in the app, and give us some good feedback so we can make this conference even better. All right, so I'm going to invite Don Green from IISE up here, and he has the bingo cards, and we're going to select a winner. The winner will get complimentary registration to Orlando, so this is awesome. All right. And the winner is Ben Napke. Ben Napke, are you in the room? If not, we will be in touch. IISC will reach out to provide you with next year's complimentary registration. Thank you, Don. And it's my pleasure to introduce Julie Thompson, who's going to share the Liberty Mutual Tom Waters Award.
Thank you, Sandra. So for those of you who don't know, Tom Waters was best known for his contributions to the revised NIOSH lifting equation and subsequent research surrounding safe patient handling. The Tom Waters Award was originally awarded at the conference for the best material handling or patient handling presentation. A blog post on the CDC website, written by his wife, mentioned his dedication to improving health and safety of workers, and that he was passionate about safety. His body of research involved the continual evolution of what we know regarding material handling. I think he'd be really excited about and involved in current research surrounding wearables and the technology evolutions that we are experiencing right now related to ergonomics. We also know from NIOSH that prevention through design is a key component of identifying and reducing risk for employees. These methodologies are being used to reduce material handling and cumulative trauma exposures during the task design phase prior to introducing the exposure into the work environment. And in keeping with Tom Waters and his body of research and continuous improvement approaches, the Liberty Mutual Committee is continually evolving award criteria to match the pace of change in the ergonomics community. In their presentation, Understanding Real-Time Body Tracking and VR-Based Ergonomic Analyses, Ruta, Nick, and Ryan outlined their research on the use of virtual reality immersion to aid with proactive ergonomic assessments. The presentation explored whether the inclusion of body tracking with VR simulations affects ergonomic analyses, parameters, and outcomes. So things like, were our horizontal and vertical lift distance accurate? Were our spine compression measurements accurate as well? So their work is furthering the science that was so important to Dr. Waters, and Liberty Mutual is proud to present the 2024 Tom Waters Award to Ruta Dharmapura, Nick LaDelpha, and Ryan Porto for their presentation, Understanding Real-Time Body Tracking and VR-Based Ergonomic Analyses. So if any of you are here, we'd like to welcome you to the stage, and if not, we will send your certificates and your award in the mail. So join me in congratulating them for their presentation.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Now, I know you all were really excited about the Tom Waters Award, but let's be real. We know why you're all at this luncheon and why I personally love the Applied Ergonomics Conference so much. It is because of the great work that our teams do to help reduce risk for their employees. So, it's time to get the party started and announce our Ergo Cup Award winners. So please join me in welcoming Jeff and Lisa to the stage along with Julia to get our awards presentation started.
Yes.
Or I do, at least.
So, hey, Jeff, did you know that it's National Hat Day today?
I did not.
Did you like my hat?
A little too floppy. What do you guys think? How about my hat? Looks ridiculous.
What about this hat? Do you like my hat?
Too plain.
guys like
what
my
do you guys think?
That doesn't sound very good.
Huh? What do you guys think? That's better. Is it too intrusive, too big?
Oh, gosh, I may
Kind
have
of
trouble
flops
reading
down.
the winners, huh? Shoot.
They won't be able to see your pretty face, Lisa.
Ha.
Better? Think we have a winner. Okay. That's enough, I think. Let's stop horsing around. Bada bing. How about let's play ball? Maybe we can start with these Louisville Sluggers.
We got the wrong size.
See if I can hit one.
Woo!
Oh, boo.
What, see?
I'm getting better.
I did really good and I got overconfident.
Over here, maybe?
Okay. There we go. Woo! Last one, I gotta do a good one. Oh,
You
here.
want it? Ladies last.
Okay.
So-
Okay.
Home run there.
Well, I think that's enough games for now. But
Games, you get it? Games? Oh, okay.
I do think it would be nice to do a toast, don't you? And toast to all the Ergo Cup teams. You guys are amazing. You guys rock. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers! Wow. I thought this bourbon was going to go down a little harder. This is pretty awesome.
Cream soda, Lisa.
No wonder it tastes so good. Oh boy.
You know I don't drink.
Okay. Well.
I'm tired. That was a lot of galloping. Whew. All right, so a little seriousness. And I'm going to take this hat off because I know it makes me look really ridiculous. Another souvenir. Not that you want that, probably, but. And I know you're not going to take me too seriously anyway, wearing this ridiculous outfit. But I do this for you guys, right? A little entertainment. I don't just do this for anybody, all right? Just you Ergo Cup teams, because I love you so much. And by the way, there was discussion about us switching outfits, right? So I'm glad we at least landed on this instead. I mean, I'm all about DEI, but that's taking it a little too far, for me at least. But I want you Ergo Cup teams to know how impactful you really are. Your innovation, your passion that you share with us as judges, the committee, everybody that stops by your booth is so inspiring. The enthusiasm that you show for everything that you guys do with these projects is really contagious. And that's why I come every year to be re-inspired by you guys. So just a round of applause for you guys. But you guys are making such a huge impact on people's lives while also improving the bottom line for your companies, right? And I know I say this every year, but there's a lot of new faces this year, and you guys truly are the lifeblood of this conference. It's what makes it so great. And to use the words of Muhammad Ali, who's also from Louisville, what does he say? I am the greatest. Really, you guys are the greatest, okay? And to me, you guys are the triple crown in my book. So you get that? Yeah, the triple. Okay. That's all I got.
Excellent. Well, let's give yourself another hand. Woo! See if I can. Okay, I get the honor of doing a few thank yous. I would like to first thank our sponsors. We couldn't do this without our lead sponsor, which we have two members right here, but the Ergonomics Center and the Edward Fitz Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at North Carolina State University. Let's give them a huge hand. Plus, you got to cheer them in March Madness tournament too, just so you know. So
Big game Friday.
excellent.
It's the big one.
I'm trying. There we go. I also want to thank my co-chairs. We work a little bit on this all year long. We have fun, as you can tell. I'm just blessed to have co-chairs that are willing to be silly and goofy and have fun, because just like he said, this whole event energizes us, motivates us, and all of you do that. But we have fun doing it throughout the year. And so I do want to thank Jeff, my co-chair, Monica Matlis, who wishes she could be here, but she can't be here. And I'd also like to thank IISE and Anna in particular for working with us. We really do work nearly probably 10 months a year to make this happen. So let's give them a big hand. So I'm evidently clicker challenged. So I also want to thank the community of judges and selection committee that makes this happen. We had 24 in total on the team, of which 17 were judges here, but we also have a selection committee that selects the finalists. And again, this is not Jeff and Lisa and Monica making decisions. This is a team of people that are experienced, passionate ergonomists that help make this happen. So if you're a judge, just raise your hand and we'll say thank you.
We try not to point them out too much because if you guys don't win, we don't want you hunting them down, okay? But
Back to you.
back to me, my turn? Okay.
See if you could be better at the clicker.
We'll see about that. Okay, so before we get into recognizing the winners, we do want to recognize all of the finalists that made it, right? You guys are finalists. You're the elite of the elite. You made it to the show, right? This is the Oscar of ergonomics.
Go get my phone. You keep going.
Okay, she forgot her phone, so that's okay. We can still get started. It's just
He
right
can
down
keep
here.
going. Ignore me.
Okay. What happened to my slides here? Okay, here we go. We're back. So we did have some different categories this year. Evidently my clicker is not working. I don't know if the battery's not. There we go. So we had some different categories this year. We had some additional Ergo Cup Awards this year, as well as Excellence Awards were a little different. We had a couple of different awards, so I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think about those new awards and new Excellence Awards. But first, we'll recognize the Ergonomics Program Improvement category. And what we would like to do for this, when we recognize the teams in this category, we want you guys to stand up. Let's try to hold our applause until the end of that category, and then we can just applause for that entire category. Sound good? Okay, see how good you guys can follow instructions? Again, if you're called out, stand and stay standing until the rest of that category has been called, and then we'll hold that applause to the end of that category. So again, the first one is Ergonomic Program Improvement Initiatives. The first team is Wipeout, Elimination of Injuries in the Finish Department, Master Brand Cabinets, LLC in Ferdinand, Indiana. Are they here? Oh, okay. I can't see. I'm trying to wear my contacts instead. You're right about the clicker, Lisa. The next one, Driver Ergonomics Programs, the Driver Ergo Coach, Inbridge Incorporated in Kingston, Ontario. And the last one in this category, so I only had 3 to recognize. Lisa's got the long category next. Boeing Safety Dojo Network, the Boeing Company in Renton, Washington.
Okay, let's give them a hand. Woohoo! Woo, 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 woo! Okay, the finalist in the next category is the first of 4 task categories, and this is manual materials handling. And our first finalist is, whoops, I hope I didn't go twice, Under the Hood Ultimate Fixture Club, Honda of Canada Manufacturing, Alliston, Ohio. Where are you? There you are.
Ontario.
Ontario. So I have new glasses, and they're progressive, and I can't figure out how to hold my head to see things, so all kinds of troubles today, sorry. So the next finalist is Powered Cart for Ergonomic Handling of Cotton Unit Assembly, John Deere in Ankeny, Iowa. Go Iowa! I'm from Iowa, if you couldn't pick that up. The next one, A Cut Below the Rest, Conagra Brands, Troy, Ohio. Are they here? Did they stand? Oh, there you are, excellent. Okay, the next one, The Wait is Over, Allegheny Technologies Incorporated in Huntsville, Alabama. Woohoo, good job. And the next finalist is Rollerhead Motor Assist Material Loader, Bridgestone America Incorporated, Morriston, Tennessee. You know what? That's better. Okay, next one, Automated Drum Washer, Coca-Cola, Okay, this is my challenge. Kapolei, Hawaii. Hopefully I was close.
Close enough, close enough.
Was I close? Okay, excellent. And slag cart dumper, McWayne, Oskaloosa, Iowa. Another Iowa, woo-woo! Why dip when you can flip? GE Appliances, Louisville, Kentucky. Hometown team, there we go. And rail bearing breakdown, sorting, and redesign, the Timken Company in North Canton, Ohio. Excellent. They See Me Rollin', Honda Development and Manufacturing of America, Columbus, Ohio. Rex's Cavic Handle, Cintas, Woodstock, Georgia. Excellent. Battery Tray Improvement, Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Indiana, Princeton, Indiana. Real close by. Okay, back to you, Jeff.
Round of applause for that category. Manny Material Handling. Okay, so the next task-focused workplace solutions category is under repetitive and/or awkward posture tasks. So the first finalist we want to recognize, thank you, Intelligent Auto Shim Builder, GE Healthcare, Tianjin, China. Get that close? There they are.
Excellent.
Next one, Automatic Reflective Tape Cutting Workstation, Cintas in Sacramento, California. Grommet Install Tool, Mazda Toyota Manufacturing in Madison, Alabama. 335 Circuit Board Insertion, GE Aerospace in Jacksonville, Florida. Rad Tool, Honda South Carolina Manufacturing in Timmonsville, South Carolina. Extended Cutter, Coca-Cola Consolidated Incorporated in Silver Spring, Maryland. Intercooler Assembly Dolly Pick, Pick Push Lever, Toyota Motor Manufacturing Texas Incorporated in San Antonio, Texas. Back Pain Blues, Raytheon Company here in Louisville, Kentucky. I say that right? Louisville? Louisville?
Another hometown team.
Another one, Semi-Automatic Drum Install Assist Project, GE Appliances, also in Louisville, Kentucky. Material Removal Tool, Lockheed Martin Corporation in Palmdale, California. Skunk Works, right? The Chip Dipper, Solder Tinning Station, Lockheed Martin Corporation, Syracuse, New York. Ergo Green Multi-Directional Sanding, Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation in Savannah, Georgia. All right, round of applause for that category.
The next category is another task category, task-focused workplace solutions, maintenance and other non-standard tasks. Okay, our first finalist here is Torconomics. Everyone can do it. Cargill Incorporated in Fort Worth, Texas. Excellent. The Shock Crusher, a Force Eliminator, Cintas from Greensboro, North Carolina. No Strain with the Membrane, GE Aerospace in Cincinnati, Ohio. Pivot Swing Bolt Improvement, Michelin Americas, Anderson, South Carolina. Grind and Polish Sandpaper Changeout, PPG, Sylmar, California. Easy Scraper, Swire Coca-Cola, Tempe, Arizona. Didn't see that. And Palletizer Bottle Sweeper, Swire Coca-Cola, Tempe, Arizona. And back to you. Whoop.
Round of applause.
I keep forgetting. Woo, 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 woo.
And I believe this is the last category, task-focused workplace solutions. It's miscellaneous or multitask. First finalist is the Best Tool, Center Pillar Shelf Install Tool, Honda of Canada Manufacturing in Alliston, Ontario. Lexus IP Hood Garnish, One Touch Dolly, Toyota Motor North America in Georgetown, Kentucky. Haas No Reach Load, GE Gas Power, Greenville, South Carolina. 3-part kit solution, PPG Industries in Grand Prairie, Texas. Festoon Kitting and Picking, Konecranes in Springfield, Ohio. Nailed It, elimination of nail polish bottle flipping, L'Oreal in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Handy Hanger, GE Appliances here in Louisville, Kentucky. Radiator Gladiators, Honda Development and Manufacturing of America in Greensburg, Indiana, right here up front. Pinch Preventing Hand Saver, Lockheed Martin Corporation in Waterton, Colorado. Wellibrator Hooks, BB St. Croix in St. Croix, Quebec. Ditch the Hitch, GE Appliances here in Louisville, Kentucky. Cure for the Burr, Honda Development and Manufacturing of America in Columbus, Ohio. Go Bucks. U-Boat with Step, Coca-Cola Beverages Northeast in Albany, New York. Round of applause for that last category.
Woo, 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 woo. Okay, now it's time to really get this party started. Time to announce some winners. Well, first of all, you are all winners, but we're going to announce those that get to come up to stage, take a picture with Miss Fabula Julia Abate, who is the director of the Ergo Center of North Carolina State. So once we announce the winner, we would like you to come to the stage with your entire team. We will run the video of your project while you're coming up here and getting your picture and your award. Now remember, some of these Excellence Awards are new, so you're going to hear some new ones here today. But our very first Excellent Award today is for the category of Innovation. And the winner is Pilot Swing Bolt Improvement, Michelin. Come on down. I don't think our remote works at all.
Heavy steel doors of machines often develop excessively tight locking pins due to natural misalignment. This misalignment requires the force to push or pull the locking pin into position to exceed 60 pounds of force while in a bent posture. Additionally, excessive force is often required to bend back the machine frame to assist in pin alignment.
Congratulations, guys.
This temporary correction did not allow for precise alignment and induced additional stresses on machine components. To address alignment issues, an eccentric shoulder bolt was designed by the maintenance team that allows the door pivot point to easily align with the locking pin. Now, when an adjustment is required, a simple turn of the eccentric shoulder bolt quickly and easily realigns the locking pin with the pivot point. This solution reduced the required force to seat or release the locking pin to less than 8 pounds. And eliminated the need to bend the door frame into position.
Great job, Michelin.
Excellent.
Okay, so the next Ergo Excellence Award is for Simplicity, and the winner goes to Extended Cutter, Coca-Cola Consolidated Incorporated in Silver Spring, Maryland. Come on down. No exaggeration there. Congratulations.
Good job.
That is a simple solution.
Hi, my name is Nino, and
Excellent. Well, thank you. Great job. The next Excellence Award will be awarded to the team that had the greatest business impact and ROI. Are you ready? And the winner is the Chip Dipper Solder Tinning Station, Lockheed Martin Corporation, Syracuse, New York. And as they're coming up here, remember, all of these
The
Excellence
tinning
Awards
process for our electronic
are the
components
People's Choice
occurs at the beginning
Awards.
of
They're the
assembly,
awards
when all
that
parts
you
are prepared
chose
for
the
final
winners.
installation. This part is needed in critical systems, and the tinning process can be a bottleneck to the rest of production, as it is done painstakingly by hand, working with batches of 60 components at a time. Operators solder 20-plus wire leads on the component one at a time. This process is performed twice, since each of the leads requires 2 layers of solder. Operators have to remain very still for microscope use, using delicate hand movements to properly apply the soldering. Working this way, tinning 60 components by hand took more than 40 hours to complete. The posture and repetitive movements of operators required many micro breaks and placed a lot of strain on the hands, wrists, shoulders, elbows, and neck. There was also an increased risk for contact and burn injuries while using the soldering iron. At Lockheed Martin, our environment of inclusive and continuous discussion between our assembly and support teams led to a way to improve the tinning process. It was suggested that the solder pot we already use for other parts could be adapted to work well for this component as well. That feedback was presented to a team member with prior tool design and materials experience, and thus the Chip Dipper was born. This new tool is a huge improvement in risk reduction and efficiency compared to the old process. Instead of having to solder all the leads at one time, the operator places the component onto the Chip Dipper, dips it over the solder pot, and all leads are soldered simultaneously. The Chip Dipper provides consistent tinning each time, which has reduced observed defects and decreased rework. It also provides posture, position, and grip improvements stemming from a wider variety of movement the operator can perform. This eliminates both the need for a microscope and a sustained static position. It also effectively mitigates contact burn risks to the operator by creating distance between the hand and the heat source.
Nice job, Chip Dipper. All right, so the next Ergo Excellence Award is for ergonomic risk reduction, and the winner goes to... One job, Lisa. Howard Cart for ergonomic handling of cotton unit assembly, John Deere in Ankeny, Iowa. Come on down.
Hi, my name is Joel Harmson. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at John Deere Des Moines Works. And I've had the pleasure of working in 40C, our department that builds units. And one of the biggest issues we've had is our latter half of the line uses these four-wheel steer carts with no powered system connected to them, and it's been really difficult for the operators to move around.
My name is Idris Baha. I'm an assembler at John Deere Des Moines Works. We were using those old cars which were non-powered, and they were hard to move. They were hard to turn around. you had to use a lot of force to control them, to steer them, and to move them.
The manual carts takes a lot of strength. I got to use my body weight. It's hard to maneuver, hard to turn. It's hard to make it around corners without hitting into other things. It's just kind of a pain.
My name is Michael Rockwell. I'm the ergonomics engineer at John Deere Des Moines Works. I'm standing in 40C where they used to use manual carts to push the row units around on the line. There's a couple different tight turns, and the carts are very hard to push, sometimes requiring over 100 pounds of force to get them started, depending on the condition of the floor or where they need to turn the cart to. The team has worked together with manufacturing and engineering with Joel Harmsen and the entire assembly team to find the right solution for this application. We developed this new process from Blickla, a company that has this battery-powered system that allows us to move these carts with the ease of one hand. And I'm excited to have all these carts swapped out. For this application, it's the right choice. It allows operators to move the carts with minimal amount of force.
The new carts with the motor is easy to steer. You can make it around corners, tight fits, no problem. Just a lot easier to control, a lot less effort needed.
We don't have to use any manual force to pull them or to move them. You can easily turn them, and so I'm pretty happy with the new electric carts.
Excellent.
Nice
Give
job.
a hand. Okay, this is one of the new categories, transferability and scalability. So the Ergo Excellence Award, the People's Choice Award for this new category goes to Rex Cavic Handle, Cintas, Woodstock, Georgia. Good job. And this is Rex right here, I understand, right? Raise your hand. Yay, there's Rex.
The problem. The grip and force required to move a Kaivac machine, weighing nearly 300 pounds when equipped, presents ergonomic challenges. The current handle design makes it difficult to maneuver the machine to and from customer facilities. The machine must be forced back and elevated on two wheels to overcome hurdles during transit. Using the original Kaivac design handles results in poor posture, at-risk motions, and discomfort. The solution: an alternative handle was designed to fit over the original and serve as the new point of control. First, our Ultra Clean SSR designed the handle attachment. Then we worked with a fabricator to develop a prototype. After tests and modifications, the final product consisted of detachable metal handles and a simple pin that secures the device onto the machine's original handlebar. The benefit: the handle attachment allows the operator to control the machine from the power zone, reducing at-risk motions. The attachment also provides an increased power grip and overall improved control when maneuvering the Kaivac machine on an incline or over a curb. The Ultra Clean SSR also experienced the ergonomic benefits of reduced force and improved posture, but most importantly, an overall improved feeling of physical well-being.
Excellent. Let's give him a
Great job.
hand.
Great job.
I bet nearly every one of you can think of an application that you might be able to use that solution. So good job, Cintas.
So the last Ergo Excellence Award is for presentation quality, and the winner goes to Rad Tool, Honda South Carolina Manufacturing in Timmonsville, South Carolina. Going down.
This one doesn't have music, but I promised Jeff I would not sing.
Promised you guys.
Let's give them a hand. Woo! Well, before we go to the Ergo Cup Awards, I was thinking, you guys need a bio break, still break? Need a rest? No?
Another toast or something? Maybe no.
Okay, yeah. Well, first, actually, let's give all the excellent awards, People's Choice Awards winners, let's give them a last applause. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, we have 5 2024 Ergo Cup winners to announce. So I'd say, let's get on with the show. Here we go.
Let's do it.
The first one will be in the Ergonomics Program Improvement Initiative. And I have to say I was part of the judging team here and was impressed with all of the submissions. But the winner is Driver Ergonomics Program, the Driver's Ergonomics Coach, Enbridge Incorporated, Kingston, Ontario. Woo! And they are first-time competitors, so congratulations. Woo!
We have an extensive and diverse workforce spread out across 400,000 square miles with a fleet of over 1,700 vehicles. We were receiving requests for support from drivers experiencing discomfort or pain. In-person and virtual support was provided, but our large geography and limited resources following organizational changes made this challenging, inefficient, and slow. We needed a way to provide support more effectively.
We needed a consistent and repeatable process that could easily be implemented across our operations. We decided to use the same 3-tiered approach we use for office ergonomics. It's self-help, followed by ergo coach support in their own geography, and access to a professional ergonomist as needed. We worked with Tailored Ergonomics to develop the Driver Ergo Coach program. They helped us customize a driver self-assessment and built an easy-to-use Ergo Coach assessment form, guide, training, and supporting resources. In addition, we worked with our fleet team and developed resources to quantify vehicle fit concerns and also provide procurement guidance to ensure that our future vehicles can accommodate our diverse workforce.
Our fleet drivers now complete a self-assessment when they're assigned a new vehicle or if they have any concerns including discomfort or vehicle fit. For more support, they contact an ergo coach in their region, either a member of the safety team or a peer volunteer, all of whom have been trained in the program. The Ergo Coach Assessment is a guided step-by-step illustrated checklist with common solutions. This helps our ergo coaches through the process and gives them confidence that they're not missing anything. The result? Effective and timely support for our employees regardless of their location or job function. And because fit issues impact driver safety, we can use the program resources to make data-driven decisions about vehicle assignments.
Employees, ergo coaches, and the fleet team have given great feedback on the program, and it's been amazing to see how the driver ergo coach skills and confidence have grown, especially our peer volunteers. We're continuing to refine the program resources, and the program itself is now ready to introduce to any of our Enbridge locations across North America. The driver ergo coach program at Enbridge Gas Distribution has been really successful and rewarding, and I look forward to introducing it to more safety teams across the company.
Congratulations, guys. I'm pretty sure it was the largest video file size too. It was like 1.7 gigs or something. It almost crashed my computer, but it's a great video as you guys just saw. I should say that with the Ergo Cups, there are some boxes back here that you guys can take if you need to ship it back. I believe they're behind
They're next to the backdrop over there.
Okay, so don't leave without your boxes. That way we'll keep them safe. But IISE will create a
plaque.
What do you call it? A plate, and they will ship that to you that you can place on the Ergo Cup. But you can take that home with you. You'll get a plate in the mail. Sound good? So the next Ergo Cup Award, this is the first task-focused workplace solutions award, is for manual material handling tasks. And the winner goes to Rail Bearing Breakdown Sorting and Redesign, the Timken Company, North Canton, Ohio.
Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Is this your first one that Timken has won? Second. Woo! Great job. Okay, the next Ergo Cup is also a task-focused workplace solution, and this one is in the repetitive and/or awkward posture tasks. And the winner for this one is Semi-Automatic Drum Install Assist Project. Woo! GE Appliances right here in Louisville, Kentucky. Come on down. I had to say that once at least.
On our dryer assembly line, the operator was reaching down to lock the wheels behind the front drum support. As the operator tired, the effort needed to spin the drum increased, leading to poor posture and increased ergonomic risk. The continuous improvement team brainstormed ideas to make this job better for the operator. The first prototype gantry system required the operator to load a front drum support, pick up the drum with the tool, and install it into the unit. But this still left a lot of room for improvement. Switching gears, we focused on a slide rail system separate from the gantry. We aimed for a system that moved along the line with the unit, spun the drum independently, and completed the task within cycle time. After multiple iterations, the team's design did make the job better and eliminated the low reach needed to apply pressure to the front drum support. The Drum Assist tool has changed operators' lives. Since the January 2023 installation, there have been 0 operator concerns. This ergonomic solution shows we care and are willing to do whatever it takes for our operators.
Nice job, GE
Excellent,
Appliances.
fantastic. Woo!
Okay, so the next Ergo Cup Task Focus Workplace Solutions Award is for maintenance and other non-standard tasks. And the winner goes to...
Okay,
drum roll, please.
I'm trying. Okay.
No strain with the membrane, GE Aerospace,
Woo!
Cincinnati, Ohio.
Welcome to the headquarters of GE Aerospace in Evendale, Ohio. Here we design, assemble, and test a variety of engines, commercial, military, industrial, and marine. This historic 450-acre campus is home to over 4,000 employees with various needs for water across the site. We process over 3 million gallons of water daily, even having our own water tower. Industrial water is processed through a reverse osmosis filter system. There are 3 units with 30 tubes, each consisting of 6 membranes. These wet membranes weigh 44 pounds and require over 135 pounds of force to push through the tubes. This was done by hand using a 20-foot long pipe to push membranes out at different heights up to 7 feet. Next, employees caught the membranes from the other side and hand carried them to a dumpster. Lastly, employees were unpacking the new membranes at ground level, reporting back strain. These created an alarming number of ergonomic risk factors, including overexertion, awkward postures, lifting, and pushing and pull forces. The entire process itself was a 2-day job, with employees reportedly taking days off due to soreness. Additionally, the manufacturer provided no guidance or procedure for the process. A focused Kaizen event took place to collaborate on the best solution. First, a pneumatic push tool was discovered by one of our maintenance team members. The tool has been mounted to a platform lift that reaches all height requirements. This new tool engineers out all manual pushing of the membranes. Second, we created an in-house catch basin and attached it to a lift for easier disposal of the membranes. Simply opening the latch allows gravity to do the work. Third, we repurposed a leveling table for employees to work in the power zone while unpacking new filters. Finally, a single person lift keeps employees in the power zone while working at various heights. Employees now feel confident with the process. Cycle time has been reduced, and employees report feeling better physically. Thanks to this teamwork, total risk reduction of the job was 74%.
I used to dread doing the RO membrane shutdowns before, and now made things so much easier from a fatigue standpoint, ergonomical standpoint, and safety standpoint.
I'm really proud of the team here. They came together, implemented all these changes, made it way safer for a guy like me out here working on the floor.
Initial investment in equipment shows a minimum return following year 2. By year 5, there is a potential for a return on investment as high as $21.74 saved for every dollar spent.
Here at GE Aerospace, we are proud to encourage and empower our employees to implement safety-driven solutions that truly make a difference in the workplace.
Well, guys, we're winding down. This is the final Ergo Cup Award of the 2024 Applied Ergonomics Conference. Wow. It's been fun. It's been great. You guys are all winners. Leave here remembering, whether you came on stage or not, every single one of you is a winner. But the winner of the Task Focused Workplace Solutions for miscellaneous or multitask, crossing over into different types of tasks, the winner is the best tool, center pillar shelf install tool, Honda of Canada Manufacturing, Elliston, Ontario. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Got it right this time.
Got it right.
I have to put my head like this.
My name's Ed Leonard. I work in Paint Plant 2, Quality and New Model Division. Center pillar shelf is a new part for our 23 CRV, and during static and dynamic training, it started to become evident that the insertion force, the reach, and the awkward postures was a concern for associates when they tried to install the part.
I'm Julie Dietrich. I work at HCM Plant 2, new model. I've been here about 25 years. When we were a new model, we were training associates for a new part that we had never installed before. And people were getting frustrated, downtime. We needed to come up with a solution pretty quick. Well, the challenges were, I was actually trying to set the part. And we came up with a tool to assist in the installation, and it works every time.
My name's Shane Folliott. I work at Honda Pana Manufacturing. I've been here for 20 years and I work in the paint department. This is the part that the associates currently have to install for the new CRV, and they have to put their finger in here to install it, and it's hard to see, so there's frustration for installing the tool. They're fighting with it, and it can cause injuries as well. So we came up with a tool that would make it much easier for the associate. Instead of using their fingers, they're able to put their tool in and just pivot it in, and it would set into place and cause less injuries and less frustration for associates.
The ergo benefit of the tool was the reduction in newtons in force. So we went, hand install was approximately 73 newtons. When utilizing the tool, it drops you down to about 26 newtons. Unfortunately, we did have 2 ergonomic injuries to the hand, which was about $1,500 per injury. The ergo injury avoidance was one of the main benefits of the tool, and the reduction of not having those injuries escalate.
Great job. Great job. And just one last final applause for all the Ergo Cup teams. Thank you for all you do. You guys are awesome. Continue doing your projects. Keep coming back and sharing your stories with the world and with us. We really appreciate it and can't thank you enough.
Yeah, we look forward to seeing you next year. And to close the conference, I'm going to turn it over to Sandra, who is on her way up to the stage.
So for those of you who have received an award this afternoon, we would love for you to join us right over here at the backdrop where you can have your photos taken, and also that's where the boxes will be stored. I hope that all of you will be planning to be in Orlando next year. Safe travels home, and thanks again.